Hello dear children. So in the last session we have learned different things those are used in Excel. So we have learned the basics of Excel, how to add the data, and then we have learned how to use formulas, how to use predefined formulas, then how to do sorting, how to do filtering, okay, filtration of data. So all these things we have seen. So today let's learn more about Excel, and let's learn what is if function in Microsoft Excel. So if you want to display your data according to your condition, then how to display or how to find out the result according to your condition. So we are going to use if condition or if function in Microsoft Excel. So let's see what is if function or why to use it. So see, the if function runs a logical test and runs one value for a true result and another value for a false result. Okay? So you have to write a certain condition and you can find out the result according to your condition. For example, to pass scores above 50. So, if you want to compare a certain values and find out the result, pass or fail. So, if your marks are above 50, it should be pass, and if your marks are below 50, then we have to display fail result. Then, how to write if condition in Microsoft Excel? So we know that every function in Excel starts with equal to sign. So equal to if is the keyword. So if condition round bracket. Now A1 is the cell. So you have to select a particular cell where you have displayed your percentage. So A1 is the cell of percentage. So if A1 is greater than 50, you have to put a comma and write if this condition is true, what is to be the result. So it should be pass. So it should be written immediately after the comma, after the condition. Then if this condition is false, you have to write the false result after that and complete the round brackets. Okay. So you can display the result on conditions by using if function. So also more than one condition can be tested by nesting if functions also. Okay. So we will see now we will understand what we have written, like what to write in if condition or if function. So the syntax means the way of writing the function. So you have to write equal to if, then you have to write the logical test first. So what is the condition to find out the result? Then equal right comma, then what result should be displayed if this logical test is true. So if this logical test is true, the things you have to write here, value if true, and if this logical test is false, you have to write here the value if false. Okay, so this is the way how you can write the if condition. So let's see it practically. Yes, so first you need the data. Okay, so I have already created the data. So I have added the columns like roll number, name, subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, total, percentage and result. Okay, so now you know how to use or how to write the formula for total, how to write the formula for percentage, so you can calculate it accordingly. So now I will show you the how to use the if condition. So now we will find out the result according to our percentage. So our condition will be if our percentage is greater than 50, then it should be pass, otherwise fail. Okay, So I will write, so we have to display result over here. So I will write, or I'll start with equal to sign, equal to, if, then the bracket. Now what is the condition? Our percentage. So I'll select this. If percentage is greater than 50, comma, what we have to display? Put in double quotes. So in double quotes I have to use, so here I'll use, in double quotes I have to use pass. So you can see in the formula bar. So if you want to edit the formula, you can edit it in the formula bar. Pass, after completing the double quotes, put a comma, then which value to be displayed if your condition is false. So you have to write in double quotes fail, double quotes complete, and the round bracket complete. So you can see that if it's 6, it means that I have referenced a particular cell is greater than 50, you have to display pass. If this condition is false, you have to display fail. Now I'll press enter. So see, this 80.7 is greater than 50, so it is displaying pass. Now we will copy this formula to all the cells so you can get the result. Yes, so you can see that 47.7 is less than 50, so it is displaying fail. 74 is greater than 50, so it is displaying pass. Again 50 is equal to 50, so it is saying 50 because our result should be greater than 50. And last is 68.7, it should be pass. So in this way we can write if condition. We can use if condition. So now let's play on for the quiz. Okay, so we will just do more practice of if now. So let's play on quiz. Yes, so now I'll ask you few questions, and we will just learn on that. Okay, so we will learn if condition by writing the quiz. Okay, now I'll write serial number, then I will write my question, then for answer we will write answer, and then we will write result. It's wrong or correct. Okay, so we will use this. We don't need this column, so I'll delete this. Even we don't need this column. Yes, so now we will start with the quiz. Now my first question is, which is our national animal? Yes, so you can answer my question. Which is our national animal? Yes. Okay, so we have to write the answer over here. So it's tiger, right? It is tiger, national animal. So now here we want to display the result. So if this is tiger, then it should be correct. If we write any other, it should be wrong. So here I will write, I'll start with equal to sign, if. Now this I will select the cell, that is D16. You have to select the particular cell where you have written the answer. If is equal to, so D6 is equal to, right, tiger, then comma, what is to be displayed? It should be correct, double quotes complete, else it should be wrong, double quotes complete, bracket complete, and enter. Okay, so here tiger is a string. So why I have told you, see here in the last example we have used numbers, but here tiger is a string. So while writing the function we have to write in double quotes whatever the string is. As this is a string, that is the number of characters, we have to use it. So see here, it is displaying you the correct because tiger is written. Now if I write lion, let's see what it gives the result. Wrong, it is saying wrong. Okay, so here if our answer is correct, then only it will display you correct. So the important thing is, if we are comparing it with a certain string, then we have to write it in double quotes. If it is a number, double quotes is not necessary. Now let's come up to the another question. Which is our national bird? Yes, now I want answer from you. Oh, national bird. Yes, I understood your answer, so I was writing peacock. Yes, it's peacock. Answer is peacock. So now let's see, we will write a code. Now here this will be different condition, this will be different condition, so we cannot copy it, we have to write it. So we have to write different functions or different conditions for different questions. So I'll start with equal to. If round bracket. Now see, if what, which cell we have to select? We have to select this peacock. If this is equal to, now as I have told you, we have to write in double quotes. Peacock, double quotes complete. So if this condition is true, we have to display correct. That is a string, so you have to write in double quotes always. Double quotes complete. So if this condition is wrong, if D17 is not equal to peacock, we have to display wrong. Wrong. Double quotes complete. And then bracket complete. Yes, it's correct. Okay. So you can see that we have written peacock. So it is showing you the function, that is the answer correct. So see, if D17 is peacock, then we have to display correct, else wrong. Similarly, we have written it for animal. So in this way, you can display the result according to your condition. So it depends on your condition what you have to display. Okay, so you can just write the conditions according to you. According to the conditions, you can write it. Okay, so you can write this according to your conditions. Also you can change the color. So we have done this basic things already, right? So we have done this basic things already, how to change the background color of this and all. So this is how we can change or we can write if conditions. Also we can write the nested if conditions. So if you want to check for more conditions, you can write those conditions also. Okay, so this is how we have learned how to write different functions, how to use if condition and display the result. So we have seen this for today. So just practice this in your laptops, otherwise you will not understand this. Okay, so just practice it out. Okay, so we will stop here for today. Bye bye all.